Welcome to the BPA platform tool demonstration videos from Codeless platforms. Here are the objectives, required tools, and approximate running time for this video. On completion of this exercise, we will be creating tasks that will retrieve our account balance from an SMS request and send back a message with our current account balance using the retrieve and send text message tools. This will be broken down into several short videos that cover the objectives listed in the accompanying documentation. This video is part 2 of 3. Let's start by opening BPA platform. We will navigate to where our previous task was created, right-click, and create new task. Name the task Picks Up Inbound Requests, and then click the Design tab. On the Tools tab, go to Input and drag the Retrieve Text Message tool into the Design area. On the Connection tab, select the To Context connection. Then click on the Mapping tab. On the Object drop-down, select Message, and in Operation, select Retrieve Inbound Message. Let's go to the browser, set Scope to Task. Scroll down to Variable, right-click and select New. Name the variable ACK, and on the Details tab, type the value True. This variable will enable message acknowledgement so that only one message is sent once it is received. Then in the browser, right-click to create another variable. Type max MSG count, and in the Details tab, type a value of 50. From the browser, drag the two variables we just created onto the left mapping pane. Expand the right pane, and to map the variables, we need to click and drag max MSG count to max message count, and then ACK to acknowledge messages. Click OK to save and close the step. For our next step, we need to do some prior configuration. Close the task by clicking OK. Then in the left pane, go to System, Users. Right-click, then select New User. Name the user Call Task. Click BPA Platform Authentication and set the password as Password 100. Click OK to save. On the left tab under Tools, click Execute and double-click on Call Task. Click Add. Name the connection Call Task Balance Connection. Under Server, type localhost. Then the username Call Task, with the password we created earlier. Go to the Folder tab, expand the list, and click on our Retrieve Balance folder. Click OK, then click Yes, and OK to save the connection. Let's navigate back to our task and open the Picks Up Inbound Requests task. We can now add the Call Task. In the browser on the Tools tab, under Execute, drag the Call Task into the Design area. Then name the step Call Message Processing Task, and in Data Source, select Task Step. On the Connection tab, click the drop-down and select the Call Task Balance Connection. Click the Mapping tab, set the object as Message Processing Task, and then set the operation as Run Sync. expand the left and right mapping panes. Then map source address to sender number. Next, map message contents to message request. Click OK to save and close the step. Next, we will create an end branch for the decision step that will follow. We are creating this to prevent the task looping when there are no messages to process. In the browser, on the Tools tab, go to Execute and drag the Run VBScript into the design area. Name this step No Messages. On the Main tab, leave the script area empty and click OK. We will then drag it into place, ready for the next step. Now let's add the decision step. In the browser, on the Tools tab, go to General and then drag the decision step into the design area. Name the step Message Received. Then click Add Branch, name it Yes, and set to as Call Message Processing Task. Click the Script tab, then in the browser go to the Environment tab, with Scope set to Task. Expand the Retrieve Text Message tool and drag message count into the script area. Type space greater than 0. Then click OK. Next, let's add another branch and name it No. In the To drop-down, set this as No Messages. Then on the Script tab, click Else. Click OK and OK again to close the step. You can now see the decision step has automatically joined up the subsequent steps. Let's also join up the Retrieve Text Message step. This concludes part 2 of the Retrieve Text Message task. We have started creating steps for the Picks Up Inbound Requests task, which calls the task we created in the previous video. Thanks for watching.